What's going on here, Dave?
We have an ISB turbo right here, car. And while everything seems to be good as far as blade operation, no leaking oil and whatnot, the issues commonly found with these turbos is on this backside where your VGT vanes are. And what happens is with EGR and the exhaust gas recirculation, they're exposed to a lot of carbon and heat. So one of the easiest ways to diagnose a failed turbo is this plate is where the actuator bolts, and it moves this arm to control your VGT vanes. There's hash marks here. This armature should have full range of motion between hash marks. As you can see, I can go all the way closed, but I can't go all the way open. Closed, and that's as far as I can push back, which tells me that there's an internal failure in here, very common on Cummins ISB engines. And we're gonna put a brandy new one in this truck.